Market update here on the 10th. So we get an ABC move right here. A, B, C. Looks like a fourth wave. And then I was short around in this area. I took some profit and I just got stopped out on both of my plays, and I'll show you why. So we get a first wave down, what I think is the first wave, second wave. Looks like we're going to do a third wave. Stops right here short of the parallel line, in which I measured out this being a third wave. And then we get this move right here, all the way up to the 0.78 fib into the first wave. I'm out. If it goes down from here, then I'm completely fine with it because I obeyed my rules. And that was, if it crosses into the first wave, especially on a third wave, then it's done. So I think that this is actually more likely now. Get rid of all this. I don't think it's a 5-wave move. I think that this is actually ABC. And we are heading up, and it still is potentially in a fourth wave. I don't think that this is where you can say it ended. So I'm not like heavily bullish, but I think that this is most likely now A, B, and we're looking at a C wave higher right here. And this came down past the start of the A wave. So we're probably going to look at something up here around 408, 409 in my opinion. And then that would be the fourth wave. So that's kind of my thoughts on it. I just got stopped out. I made a bunch of money on SQQQ, buying that way up here. I'm probably not going to go over that chart. And I put my stop at 37.50. Got stopped out. It is coming back down here a little bit, but again, if it goes down now, then it's just kind of guessing at that point. I obeyed my rules. If you're still in the short and you get it come down here all the way down to 401, that'd be awesome. But I think it's more likely it's going to go higher now. And the options chain and the VIX is not really moving that much higher. So we'll see what happens from here. If I'm wrong and this ends up being a first wave, then I'm looking at, you'd want to see a minimum of 404.54, potentially all the way down here to 402.32 to get down to the 1.61 fib of the first wave that I labeled right here. So again, I think it's done, but that's just my opinion. Anything can happen. It looks very choppy, and I would expect 408, 409, maybe even by the end of the day. I'm going to leave it at that because I can go over Tesla real quick. Tesla came down. I think Tesla, though, does have some more downside. It looks like it's in a third wave, potentially a fourth wave here. So that can kind of change things. I think come down here to like 190 maybe to complete a 5-wave move. But again, on SPY, I'm just out. I'm done for the day. If it goes down to 401, then okay, that's fine. That's pretty much all I got to say right now. I'll do a video later, but I don't see this as a 5-wave move. So look for 408, 409.